Everyone knows that Midjourney creates beautiful arts, but has anyone ever wondered how it happens? Or do you believe in magic? Everyone looks at the art but doesn't know the process. Today we'll show you the process of creating art in Midjourney. Enjoy watching! This is how an art is created in Midjourney. Of course, the neural network doesn't generate so many pictures every time. It all happens in the program's internal code, but you have to agree the visual example turned out to be very fascinating. If you want more content like this, subscribe and like it.